Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we begin our video heading north on US Highway 11 at Alabama Mile 182, just after entering the town of Steele. The town got its name from Joshua Tolliver Steele, who arrived here around 1855. The Tuscaloosa to Huntsville stagecoach route passed through this area, and soon a log church was established. In 1870, the Alabama Great Southern Railway began serving the community. Tolliver Steele generously donated land for a depot and took on the role of station master, leading to the community being called Steele's Station or Steele's Depot. In 1900, the community was officially incorporated as Steele, but this incorporation was later deemed invalid. It was then reincorporated in December of 1952 under the leadership of Mayor W. E. Pope, after whom US 11 is named today. As of the 2020 census, Steele had a population of 992. It is home to the Alabama International Dragway, along with two industrial parks, Steele Station Industrial Park and Steele Industrial Park. At the Little Canoe Creek, we enter Etowah County, with an estimated population of 103,162 as of 2021. This is the smallest county in Alabama by area, spanning only 549 square miles. Its terrain, characterized by rolling hills, has never been conducive to agriculture, leading the county to rely on its natural resources and a substantial labor force to establish itself as a significant industrial hub in Alabama. In 1845, Coosa Furnace was constructed on the banks of the Big Wills Creek, marking the county's first iron furnace. In 1895, Dwight Mill was established in Alabama City and reached its peak in 1953, employing a workforce of 2,600 people. Another significant development took place in 1900 when the Underwood Coal Company was founded and later acquired by Alabama Steel. In 1929, the Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company constructed a plant in Gadsden, becoming the county's largest employer by the turn of the 21st century with 2,550 workers. However, in 2006, a strike by U.S. steel workers left half of the workforce unemployed. Goodyear subsequently announced plans in August of 2007 to invest nearly $125 million in plant upgrades. In a different vein, Gadsden is the southernmost host of the world's longest yard sale every August, which stretches along the scenic Lookout Mountain Parkway in Alabama. This three-day event attracts numerous shoppers and vendors to the area, contributing to the local economy. Overall, despite its small size and unsuitable agricultural conditions, Etowah County has thrived as an industrial center, leveraging its natural resources and abundant workforce to drive economic growth. We enter the city of Attala, and US 11 becomes 3rd Street Southwest here. In 1870, Attala was established after W.C. Hammond, a plantation owner, generously donated the land. 2 years later, in 1872, it was officially incorporated as a city government. The name Attala was formally adopted in 1893, derived from the Cherokee language and meaning mountain. Attala holds the distinction of being the location where the first hydroelectric dam was built in 1887 to supply electricity to a city. We'll be passing right through the Attala Business District ahead. Here, US 11 merges with US Highways 278 and 471 for several blocks. Here, with the Attala Municipal Building on our left, US 278 and 431 depart to the east across I-59 into Gadsden. I've mentioned a couple of times earlier in the series that US 11 doesn't pass through any part of Gadsden, which is surprising as it's the county seat of Etowah County, and the city covers a large area. But the city lies almost entirely east of I-59, spilling over a few times once we get north of Attala, but never quite making it to Highway 11. Here, US 11 shifts one block to the left and becomes 4th Street Northwest as we approach the city limits of Attala. We'll conclude today's video at mile marker 194. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 a month, you too can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.